Today we are playing Mario Maker World Engine.
Oh yeah.
So it's a fan game made. Heard is a new enemy.
Let's see if we can make some levels that would be pretty creative and
What?
see if we can beat them.
What is this?
Whoa, what is that? Like a rolling plot, maybe?
A rose. What is that?
Oh.
It doesn't tell you the name. It doesn't tell you the name. What is that? It's a happy thing.
Some kind of swamp, but let's see.
This.
Oh, that hurt.
Ouch. What is this now?
Hmm?
What?
Whoa, look
We can spin on it.
silly right there.
And we're kind of pixelated in Mario U. Mario
That's
World.
pretty cool.
What?
Let's see it
What?
that way. Uh-oh.
It's googly. You can spin on it.
Yeah.
Because it's basically a swamp.
Mm-hmm.
What's introduced it to everybody? Sees it.
Mm-hmm.
There it is. Wherever this thing is.
Yeah.
Roy Swamp. I don't know. Got Dew Castle. Got Mario 1. What does it look like now? What's it look like now? That is weird. Look at it. It's broken too. That is weird.
Yeah.
That is very weird. Whoa! Look at this.
Wow.
Good. They don't have volcano. They do have the rest of these though.
Mm-hmm.
I started making. Let's go Mario 3 style. Let's go. Alright, so make a boom 2. Oh, that would be unfair. So we put boom, boom. Can't put it there. Can't put it here. Okay. Just a start. I might want to change this to Mario U style. It works better because you can spin on the road going. But that was for a mushroom.
Oh yeah, mushroom in there.
Let's see. Oh, dry bone fish are not in here.
Alright.
Kooplin's not in here yet. Sweet salt not in here. Vines, conveyor belts, tracks, and these. What is that? What is this?
What is that? Cloud?
Cloud. Oh, sorry. Bouncy cloud.
Bouncy cloud.
Boom! Whoa! I went in the
It's like
air.
jumping in bed. Ugh.
Is that Mario? Like jumping in the bed. Is that it bounces really high? Oh, it's fun. Let's do that. Do that. Let's put some to stop us a little bit. Some.
Koopa Troopas.
Yep.
Some wings on them, or just leave them? Oh, you got some wings on them because they're in the air.
And they're green. Oh yeah. Alright. Red.
Red.
Let's see what it does. Let's test the green one that wings. We'll see what it does. Here. Falls. Okay, that's what it does.
It just walks, it just hops to you, shall I say.
The red one works.
Yeah, the red ones. Yeah, these flies. Yeah. Uh-oh.
Whoa. What is this? Whoa, it's floating. It's floating in the air. That's weird. What does it look like in a castle? What does it look like in a castle? Yeah, it works more better with a castle. But just for my addiction, we'll use sky because it got clouds. This this roll thing keeps getting me. Wherever that is. Step on you. And then get on these weird floaty platforms. What are these? We also got. What is that? Let's introduce this.
Oh, hermit crab, huh? They just jumped off, man. Okay.
He drew a rock and just jumped off. I think we need to put a little bit. Whoa! Charge the chuck! Charge the chuck!
Oh, charge the chuck. Watch out, charge the chuck.
Boom, 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 boom. Take that.
See you, Chuck.
That was awesome. There's a charging chuck. That is awesome. It's usually a sledge, bro.
See you later, Chuck. Nice knowing you.
Boom, boom. Boom, boom. It's kind of like the chuck that doesn't take that many hits. Boom.
Oh.
Alright, let's put fire flowers for this boom boom. Then let's put something. I just saw something. Where was it? Oh! Okay. These are supposed to be in a volcano. What will they stick out? Spikes. Spin on them. It's weird. It's weird. It's Mario can spin on this stuff. And it's spiky. What we'll do? Let's see what we can do with this. What? Let's see. He falls in! He falls in! Oh, that is awesome. There's so many new things. Why is it so tiny? Oh, there we go. Okay, this is not ice level. Let's make this a little bit more harder.
All right.
Make it harder. Nah, it's a little bit too short. Put it a little bit farther. Boom. Yeah. Boom. Okay.
Yeah.
Let's put one bond. What? Bond? No. It's not FNAF. Let's put. Why not? Let's put a Twister. What's Mario 3 look like? Whoa. This is Mario 3. Look, what? Charging Chuck in Mario 3. Awesome.
Whoa.
Look at the bouncing cloud. They look weird. Bouncing clouds look weird. Now I can't jump over him. Okay. That was hard. What we do with blocks? Do we put coins in? What is that? What is this? Blockhead Mario!
Yeah.
Blockhead Mario, that's what I'm talking about. Blockhead Mario. Boom! Boom! Ah! I fell in the hole. But what? Look, this one's gonna take a lot, so that'll be unfair. That'll be unfair. We'll move. Bounce clouds look weird. Like this. What? The only reason? Like donut blocks. Donut blocks. They fall. Great. So, it matters how long it's down. Okay. So if you do this.
Yeah.
Here. Can you put anything in here? Let's see you put stuff on instead of those things. Nope. We cannot put that. That sucks. There it sucks. Put some more bouncy clouds. Put some more bouncy cloud area. We'll put these. We'll put these. Even though it's kind of unfair, take advantage. So we'll put on a donut block. Put on a donut block. And now we'll put a fireball on top of the cloud. Look at it. Fireball, a dancing fireball.
That's a fireball. Firefly.
Okay. The bouncing clouds are. Let's put some coins. Let's put some coins. Put some coins. Yeah, I would put coins in the level. Whoa, look at the blockhead.
Uh-oh.
Let's put it on. Let's put it on.
Yep.
Alright, here we go. What?
Alright.
How many times I gotta hit this?
Hmm?
This is a blockhead. What the? It turned into the spreaded. You gotta see it turned into a spreaded coin.
Wow.
This is awesome. Ooh. Oh. Oh. Get on the Koopa Troopa. And now wherever this Bodie Beats, yeah. Get away from Bodie Beats.
Yeah.
Don't want me in that way. Oh!
Oh.
You saw that?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, come on, Spike Ball. That's not fair. Let's put him a little. I'm gonna put him a little bit lower. The bouncing cloud, or the second bouncing cloud, is a bad spot. Second. So let's put a ground. Let's put some ground, just so. And now, so it's fair to. That jump! Look at that jump! Look at that jump! That's a hard jump. Hey. Let's make a fight. Let's make a Bowser Jr. They don't have no slopers. They don't have no slopers. What is this? Yeah. Alright, Bowser Jr. fight. But we need to have to find though how we put a key on. We put a key in them. Can we put this? And we could do a key door. Door. Put blocking. Let's put it blocking so we have to beat Bowser Jr. Because nobody want to cheat. Cheating will be bad. There. So it's blocked now. Try to get me now, Bowser Jr.
Yeah, Bowser.
Bowser Jr.
Junior, sorry. Bowser Jr. What you want to do now?
We got penguin suit. But I don't see penguin suit. We do that with a twister. Nah, that wouldn't make sense. Fireball? Nope. That wouldn't make sense. A mushroom? Nope, that wouldn't make sense. A star? Probably. Nope. The only thing left is this. Yep. Penguin suit right there. See what? Of course it slides. Huh?
Slide on you.
Yeah, penguins always slide. Ice on ice. Only penguins could slide on ice. Because nothing else is sliding. Bouncing from sliding, but you can't stand on that, it would just break. Don't worry, the penguin dust. Get out, Bowser Jr. and give me that key.
Yes, okay.
Get that key of yours. So we found penguin suit right there. Cool. Ooh. Okay. What is this? Fire bro.
Alright, bro.
Whoa! Whoa! He throws fires at you. He throws fire at you. It's wild. I said wild.
I said, wow.
Alright. What the? That was funny. That was actually funny. Okay,
Mhm.
we gotta see if he actually hurts you. You know, fire rock. Okay, let's see if it hurts you. All right, let's get hit. I want to get hit.
Oh, it's got ice now?
Okay, yeah, I transformed or something. All right, we'll see.
Oh, wow.
He froze me,
Yeah.
and then he oofs you after he froze you.
Wow.
Let's see him. Oh, I like this. Ooh. All right, boomerang, bro. Boomerang, bro.
The boomerang?
Yeah, that hurt.
Yeah, that's gonna hurt.
Oh, this is cool. Whoa, yeah. The changes more in. Nah.
Mhm.
This is cool. Oh, we actually got beach. I like that.
At the beach. Mario at the beach.
Just chilling, getting cool Koopas
Mm-hmm.
out the way. And for this, let's get ice bro because fire bro won't melt because how much colder it is at the beach. Just what am I talking about?
Mm-hmm.
Why is this not sand? It should be sand.
It should be, right?
Yeah. Alright. Let's test out the level. Boom! Okay, you see the roly.
Mm-hmm.
And then grab the coin, get this fake blockhead. Evil. Spreads out coins at you.
Mm-hmm.
That's pretty nice. Mario gotta get money. Well, what is he even using? What does Mario even use coins for? Like, it's weird. He doesn't use coins for nothing. I just swim over that. That's strange. Hey, Baldy Beats.
Go to the beach.
I meant to slam on him so I could break him. See?
Mm-hmm.
See, look.
Oh, yeah. Smash.
Get away. Don't. Bowser
Mm-hmm.
Bowser Jr. just got his way off.
Mm-hmm.
That is weird. Wow! I throw. Oh no, he don't give me instant. It's because I was a little more. That's why.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, instant. Let's see if I can make it to the top. Let's see if I can make it to the top. If not, just go for the bottom. Alright, I got a chance if I just wall jump everywhere. Yep.
Mm-hmm.
I made it to the top where I want.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. What happens if save? Spanish.
Yeah, it's words in Spanish, but we can create a name. Let's see. Name of this level. What should we name it?
Beach.
What you think, Bax?
The sun and the beach.
Sun and beach?
Yeah.
Let's do sun and beach.
Sun and beach.
Let's do it.
You know there's no sun, but that's okay.
It's all right. Sun and beach.
You're supposed to say yes. You're supposed to say yes.
So yes?
Yeah.
Try again. And I accept.
Let's go. Let's go.
Accept force.
It's not working. Oh, that's why.
Oh, that's fine. We got it. That's the level. We created that level, guys. You guys like it? Let us know.
Alright, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.
Bye.
If you want some more of this, don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye.